The 100 shocking rules of money you must master to get rich. Apply them all. Imagine this. Every step you take in life could either bring you closer to wealth or keep you trapped in the same place forever. But here's the crazy part. Most people have no idea which steps to take. Today, I'm going to reveal 100 shocking money rules. Rules that almost nobody learns in school. Nobody explains clearly, and nobody hands down to you the way they should. But if you learn them, apply them, and live by them, you will transform your financial life forever. Welcome back to Mindful Money and Meals. I'm Felix Exposé, and today we're going deep. Grab a notebook, grab a drink, and get ready. Because these are the 100 rules of money you must master to get rich. Let's begin. Section 1. Mindset Money Rules. Rule 1. Money follows clarity. If you don't know what you want, money doesn't know where to go. Rule 2. Wealth is a skill, not luck. Anyone can build it once they learn the system. Rule 3. The rich think long-term. The poor think about Friday. The rich think about decades. Rule 4. Money flows to problem solvers. Solve bigger problems. Earn bigger money. Rule 5. If you want more money, become more valuable. Not busier, more valuable. Rule 6. You can't out-earn a bad mindset. Your thinking sets your limits. Rule 7. You don't rise to your goals. You fall to your habits. Rule 8. Comfort destroys wealth. If you're too comfortable, you're losing. Rule 9. Wealth is built by boring, consistent actions. Rule 10. Never say, I can't afford it. Instead, ask, how can I afford it? Section 2. Saving and spending rules. Rule 11. Save first, spend second. Automatic, non-negotiable. Rule 12. The amount you save matters more than your income. Rule 13. Spend below your ego, not below your means. Rule 14. If you can't pay cash, you probably can't afford it. Rule 15. Track your money or lose your money. Rule 16. You don't need budgeting. You need discipline. Rule 17. Avoid lifestyle creep like a disease. Rule 18. Spend more on tools, less on toys. Rule 19. Every pound, euro, or dollar is a seed. Plant them wisely. Rule 20. Pay yourself more than you pay others. Section 3. Debt rules. Rule 21. Debt can make you rich or make you broke. Rule 22. Never borrow for anything that loses value. Cars, gadgets, holidays, clothes. Rule 23. Good debt builds wealth. Bad debt destroys it. Rule 24. Credit cards are a tool, not a toy. Rule 25. If debt controls you, money will never stay with you. Rule 26. The interest you pay is the price of impatience. Rule 27. Your credit score is a financial passport. Protect it. Rule 28. Pay down high-interest debt aggressively. Rule 29. Never co-sign a loan. Rule 30. Avoid monthly payments like landmines. Section 4. Income rules. Rule 31. One income is too close to zero. Build multiple. Rule 32. If you don't ask, you don't get. Negotiate everything. Rule 33. Your boss won't make you rich. Your skills will. Rule 34. Learn high-income skills. Sales, investing, marketing, coding, communication, leadership. Rule 35. The more people you help, the more money you make. Rule 36. Increase your earning power every year. Rule 37. You are paid in proportion to the problems you solve. Rule 38. Never depend on overtime for income. Rule 39. Turn knowledge into money, courses, coaching, content. Rule 40. Work for skills first, paycheck second. Section 5. Investing rules. Rule 41. Start investing early. Start investing small. Start investing now. Rule 42. Time in the market beats timing the market. Rule 43. If your money isn't working, you will work forever. Rule 44. Invest in what you understand. Rule 45. The stock market rewards the patient, not the perfect. Rule 46. ETFs are the beginner's superpower. Rule 47. Dividends are the most beautiful sound in the world. Rule 48. Never invest based on emotion. Rule 49. Don't try to get rich fast. Try to get rich certain. Rule 50. Compound interest is the eighth wonder of the world. Let it work for you. Section 6. Business rules. Rule 51. Business builds wealth. Jobs only build security. Rule 52. You don't need a big idea. You need execution. Rule 53. People pay for convenience, speed, certainty, and simplicity. Rule 54. Avoid perfection. Launch, then improve. Rule 55. You're not running a business. You're solving a problem. Rule 56. Marketing beats talent. Rule 57. Your network is your money machine. Rule 58. Hire slow, fire fast. Rule 59. Document everything. Rule 60. Build systems that make money while you sleep. Section 7. Wealth Protection Rules. Rule 61. Protect your wealth like a warrior. Rule 62. Insurance is cheaper than disaster. Rule 63. Never rely on one bank, one broker, or one platform. Rule 64. Keep at least 3 to 6 months of expenses in cash. Rule 65. Learn basic tax strategy. It saves you thousands. Rule 66. Wealth is built by keeping more of what you earn. Rule 67. Avoid lawsuits, unnecessary risks, and financial traps. Rule 68. Diversify your income, not your attention. Rule 69. Read the fine print, always. Rule 70. Don't flaunt your wealth, protect it quietly. Section 8. Relationship and money rules. Rule 71. Choose a partner with financial discipline. Rule 72. Friends who mock your goals are enemies of your future. Rule 73. Never mix business with emotional people. Rule 74. Get around people who make money normal. Rule 75. Don't take money advice from broke people. Rule 76. You become like the people you spend the most time with. Rule 77. Learn to say no without guilt. Rule 78. Protect your time. Time is more valuable than money. Rule 79. Don't try to impress people. Impress yourself with discipline. Rule 80. Never argue about money with small minds. Section 9. Freedom Rules. Rule 81. Money buys the most valuable asset, time. Rule 82. Freedom is built, not given. Rule 83. Wealth without health is bankruptcy. Rule 84. Do one hard thing every day. Rule 85. Learn daily. Wealth grows with knowledge. Rule 86. Your mornings determine your wealth. Rule number 87. Don't chase money. Chase freedom. Money will follow. Rule number 88. Avoid addictions. They drain wealth and life. Rule 89. Keep your identity simple. The world is complicated enough. Rule 90. Gratitude multiplies what you already have. Section 10. The final 10 rules. Advanced money truths. These final 10 rules separate the rich from the ultra-rich. Rule 91. Money multiplies fastest when you stop touching it. Rule 92. The wealthy don't trade time for money. They trade ideas for money. Rule 93. Financial intelligence compounds. Rule 94. Decide once. Automate forever. Rule 95. The market punishes emotion. Control it. Rule 96. Ownership beats wages. Rule 97. When in doubt, choose the path that builds long-term wealth. Rule 98. The richest people take asymmetric risks. Low downside, massive upside. Rule 99. Wealth is quiet. Poverty is loud. Stay quiet. Work hard. Rule 100. Money is a slave. You are the master. Act like it. Conclusion. These 100 rules are not theories. They're not motivational quotes. They are the laws of wealth, the truths that every millionaire and billionaire lives by. Even if they never say them out loud, you don't need to master all 100 today. Just start with 1, then 2, then 10. And before you know it, you will be walking the same path millions have used to go from nothing to financial freedom, to a life of abundance, choice, peace, and power. If you want more videos like this, subscribe, like, and share this with someone who needs it. I'm Felix. This is Mindful Money and Meals, and I'll see you in the next one. Stay disciplined, stay focused, and stay wealthy. See you next time.